Today I am going to show you how to make Veggie Pita Pockets. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. You will need tomato, slices of onions, green pepper, cucumber, lettuce, coriander, you will also need spices, heat the pan and add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add onions. Roast for little bit. Now add green pepper, sprinkle little bit of black pepper, now add cucumber, roast for little bit. Add salt to taste. Half teaspoon of cumin powder. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, add little bit of garam masala powder, mix it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Add little bit of chaat masala. Add slice of tomato. Now turn off the heat for crispiness. Add little bit of coriander for better taste. Add little bit masala chili sauce according to your spicy taste. Take it out after it's done. Add some lettuce. You can cook the pita pockets just for 1 or 2 minutes. Fill the pita bread with the vegetable mixture. Please like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. Add toppings of your choice. Now your healthy, delicious Veggie Pita Pocket Sandwich is ready. If you like my recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. Also check out my social media and other videos.